Hello students, in this video I have some questions on 2 mark questions for 10th mathematics. So here we go. Find the value of A25 minus A15 for the AP 6, 9, 12, 15. So we can see that the first term A is 6, D 9 minus 6 3, D is A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2, in that way 9 minus 6 3. So nth term is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So there you have the 25th term, 6 plus 25 minus 1, 24 times D. So 6 plus 24 3 is 72. So the term is 78. Similarly, 15th term is 6 plus 15 minus 1, 14D, 14 into 3. That will give you 6 plus 14 3 is 42. So the term is 48. So the difference between A2 minus A15 is 78 minus 48. That's 30. So the next question. 7 times the 7th term of AP is equal to 5 times the 5th term. Then find the value of its 12th term. So it's given 7 times the 7th term is equal to 5 times the 5th term. So 7 into A plus 6D is the 7th term. 5 into A plus 4D the 5th term. So when we open the bracket, it is 7 into A7A plus 7 6 are 42D is equal to 5 into A5A plus 5 4 is 20D. So rearrangement of the terms, A is one side, D is one side. 5A shifted left, 7A minus 5A, you get 20D minus 42D. So 7A minus 5A, 2A is equal to minus 22D. Dividing 2 on the other side, you get A is equal to minus 11D. So continuation, we have to find the 12th term, that is A plus 11D. As we solved, A is minus 11D. So replace A with minus 11D plus 11D. Answer 0, which indicates the 12th term is 0. We move on to the next question, that is question number 4. Find the value of M so that the quadratic equation mx multiplied with 5x minus 6 is equal to 0 has two equal roots. So if we open the bracket, it is 5mx square, mx multiplied with minus 6, it is minus 6 mx is equal to 0. It's given roots are equal. Roots are equal when the discriminant is 0. So discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Therefore, by comparing the equation with the ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we have a as 5m, b as minus 6m, and c as 0. So substituting that in the discriminant formula, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, we get minus 6m whole square minus 5 into 0 is equal to 0. So the option is 36m square is equal to 0, m value is 0. So we continue with the next question. From a point P, this question is the fourth question. So from a point P, two tangents PA and PB are drawn to a circle C is equal to 0, R. 0, R in the sense C has O as the center, R as the radius. So if OP is 2R in measure, then find the angle APB and what type of triangle APB are the two questions. So here we can see that AP is the tangent, OP is the radius, therefore angle between AP and OA is 90 degree. So because tangent and radius, they are perpendicular to radius, tangent is perpendicular to radius by the theorem, angle OAP is 90 degree, that's what I said. Now angle OAP is a right angle triangle, fine. If you apply trigonometry, sin P for this triangle, sin P, the acute angle at P, right angle triangle, opposite side by hypotenuse, opposite is AO, hypotenuse is OP. measures are r divided by 2r, that gives 1 by 2. By comparing the trigonometric table, we solve measure p is equal to 30 degree. So we can see that if you join OB, triangle OAP is congruent to triangle OPP by RHS property, because hypotenuse is the common side H and we have corresponding side AO is equal to OB because they are radius. So here we can see angle APB is the sum of angle APO plus BPO, which is 30 and 30. Altogether it is 60 degree. So here is the next question. The curved surface area of a right circular cone is 12,320 cm square. If the radius of its base is 56 cm, then find the height. So radius of the base is given, which is 56 cm. The curved surface area of the cone is 12,320 and we have the curved surface area of the cone formula is pi into r into L. So 12,320 is the curved surface area, pi into r into L. 7 8 is 56. 22 is 11, 2s and 11. I divided this table by 7 ones are 7, 8s are 56, 8 ones are 8 and 8,540 are 12,320. So the next is I cancel this 1,540 with 11 table, 11 2s are 11, 140s are. After that it is 2 ones are 270s are. So 70 centimeter is the L slant height. So we have slant height L square is equal to R square plus H square. In the cone. So 70 square is equal to 56 square plus H square, which gives H square is equal to 70 square minus 56 square. The answer is H square is 1764, where the answer you get 42 centimeter. That's the height of the cone. So the next question. Mrs. Garg recorded the marks obtained by her students in the following table. She calculated the modal mark of the student of the class as 45. So while presenting the data, a blank was left that I wrote it as X here, unknown frequency. Find that missing frequency. So the table is given for mode and the mode they have calculated and found out to be 45. 45 is the mode, means 40 to 60 with the frequency X will become the modal class. So and the mode formula what we have is U plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where F1 is the modal class frequency, F0 is the frequency of the previous class and F2 is the frequency of the next class, that is 6. So H is the width between the two, that is 40 minus 60, which is 20. So H is 20 in this case. So that simplifies to x minus 10 multiplied with the 20 is equal to 2x minus 16 in the denominator, 45 minus 40, 40 shifting to the left side. So 5 by 20 I get, that's equal to x minus 10 over 2x minus 16. Further simplifying that question, cross multiplication will give us 4x minus 40 is equal to 2x minus 16. So 4x minus 2x is 40 minus 16, which is 2x is 24, x the missing frequency is 12. That's the answer. Moving on to the next question. If Ritu were younger by 5 years, then than what she really is, then the square of her age would have been 11 more than 5 times her present age. Let the Ritu's age be x. If Ritu is 5 years younger, the age becomes x minus 5 years. So given that x minus 5 years whole square is equal to 5 times the age and 11 more. So that's the statement. The square of her age would have been 11 more than 5 times the present age. That statement is converted into mathematical equation. So after that, opening the brackets will give us a quadratic equation x square minus 15x plus 14 is equal to 0. That I'm factorizing with splitting the middle term. So when I multiply, I should get 14, and when I add, I should get minus 15. So minus 14x and minus x are the factors. So the grouping will give us the factorization x bracket x minus 14 minus 1 bracket x minus 14. So x minus 14 or x is minus 1 is equal to 0. So x value 14 or x value 1. Rejecting x as 1 because if you take x is equal to 1 years, you cannot take a number 5 years younger. Ritu cannot be 5 years younger than 1 year. Therefore, rejecting that answer, Ritu's present age we can answer it as 14 years. If you find this video useful, please share among your friends, and if you want any particular topic video, please comment on the comment box. Thank you for watching the video.